Good morning students. In previous class we discussed about the numbers. What are natural numbers, what are whole numbers and which is the smallest and largest. Okay. So in this class let us discuss about the factors and multiples. In this class let us discuss about factors and multiples. First of all we have to know what the factor is. Let us take some numbers. Let us take some numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here some numbers are taken. Okay. So let us take 1. Let us take 1. Okay. 1 is divided by which numbers? With the complete zero remainder. So 1 is divided by only 1. 1 ones are 1. Remainder will be 0. So 1 is divided by 1 only. Let us take 2. 2 is divided by 1. And also 2 is divided by 2. That means 2 is divided by 1 and 2 completely with the remainder 0. Understood? Let us take another number 3. 3 let us take. 3 is divided by 1. 1 3 is 3. 0. And 3 is divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 with the 0. Okay. So 3 is also divided by 1. And 3. Let us take 4. 4 is divided by 1. 4 is divided by 2. 4 is divided by 4. Okay. Let us take 5. 5 is divided by 1 and 5. Okay. Let us take 6. 6 is divided by 1. And then 2, and then 3, and then 6. Okay. So these all are called factors of 6. Similarly, 1 and 5 are factors of 5. Similarly, 1, 2 and 4 are factors of 4. Okay. Understood? So now let us know the definition of factor. So factor means a number which divides the given number completely with the zero remainder. So students, once again listen. What is meant by factor here? A number which divides the given number completely with the zero remainder. Completely with the zero remainder. Okay. So as we discussed earlier, some examples are discussed. So let us take 4 again. 4 is divided by 1. 1 4 is 4. 0. Like this, with the zero remainder. A number is to be divided by another number. So this is called, 1 is called factor of 4. 1 is a factor of 4. Similarly, 2 is also divides 4. 2 2 is 4. 0. 2 is a factor of 4. Okay. Similarly, 4 also divides 4. Now 4 is factor of 4. So 1 is a factor of 4, 2 is a factor of 4, 4 is a factor of 4. How many factors does 4 have? So see 1, 2, 4. So 4 have 1, 2, 3 factors. Okay. They are 1, 2 and 4. So 4 has how many? 3 factors. So once again remind, factor means a number which divides the given number completely with a 0 remainder. Okay. So and then very important thing, 1 is a factor of every number. Because 1 divides every number. 1 divides 100, 1 divides 1000, 1 divides 999. Okay, 1 is a factor of every number. Starts from 1 to infinity. And then every number itself. Every number is a factor to itself. Every number is a factor to itself. That means 2 divides 2. Every number divides the same number with a 0 remainder. So that's why every number is a factor to itself. Okay. Now let us see how to find the factors for the given numbers. Okay. So let us take factorization method for some examples. Let us take one number 4. Right, factors of 4. Factors of 4 or you can write 4 as 1 into 4. Similarly, 2 2s are 4. Okay? 4 1s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Now the factors are, you have to list out these. 1, 2, 2 is same again there, and 4. So there are 3 factors, 1, 2 and 4. Okay? Let us take another example. Let us take 12. Okay? So factors of 12 are so 12 can be written as 12 ones are 12 and then with 2. 2 6 are 12 and then again by 3. 3 4s are 12 and with 4 already has been given there. 4 into 3 12, 6 into 2 12, 12 into 1 12. Now write down the factors. Factors are, so first one 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 factors are there. Okay, these are the factors of 12. These are the factors of 12. Let us take another example. Let us take 24. Write down the factors of 24. So now factors of 24 are, okay, 24 can be written as 24 ones are 24 and then by 2, 2 into 12, 2 12s are 24 and then by 3, 3 4s are, 3 8s are 24 and then by 4, 4 6 are 24. So by 5 it is not divisible by 6 already given there. 6 into 4, 7, not divisible. 8 into 3 is given there. 12 into 2, 24 into 1. Okay. Now list out the factors. Factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Okay, these are the factors of 24. Now write down the factors of given numbers. Your homework is so list out the factors. List out the factors of given numbers. List out the factors of given numbers. So first one 16, second one 24, third one 32, fourth one 48, fifth one 64, sixth one 72, seventh one 84, eighth one 122, okay, ninth one 128, 10th one 144. So you have to list out the factors of the given numbers. So that's all for today. Okay, thank you.